Hello, I am Kendall.
And I am Jiraiya.
And this is the Cuzzle Goals channel. And this is going to be our introduction. We're going to be doing a lot of channels together and a lot of videos together. And as you can see right now, this is our introduction. So yeah, and you have anything to say, Jiraiya? Oh, a quick short. The description below would not be there right now because we're going to be editing this video somehow, and somehow it's just going to be edited because we want to be edited. So yeah, and also we're going to be doing videos of our trips and of us doing things like at school or something. And sometimes she might have the camera sometimes. Right now I'm using my visual camera. My phone is there, so yeah, I'm using my visual camera. So yes, it is blurry because I've been at this camera for like almost 2 years and I just charged it. So yeah.
Well, this was our actually first time. Well, we had actually just now thought of this idea and she just decided to do an intro. So our intro was this, and I hope y'all enjoyed all the videos.
That was my cousin speaking. Okay, this is the end of the intro. I hope you guys liked it. This 1 minute and 34 seconds. 1 minute and 45 seconds video. Thank you guys and have a nice day. Bye.